This weekend, Jenny and I were up at the studio. We built bookshelves and a coffee hutch and a closet. Actually, Jenny built it, and most of my work was assisting her and keeping the burn fire going to take care of all the cardboard. Check it out. Books by the cohort members there, Daniel. Anyway, Corey stuff, my children's books, some of the other books I got. So cool. And look at this new coffee hutch Jenny built. Oh my goodness, she is remarkable. Okay, so here's what we built. Look at this bookshelf. No, wait. Closet. Closet, not a bookshelf.
The broom, the vacuum cleaner will go there, place to hang your coats.
Nice. Here is the architect.
Storage. Look, we already have some stuff.
Wow, we're storing some stuff.
We're gonna have some shelves go.
Shelving. Okay, drawers.
Waiting
Okay.
for those to come. We'll have a top where you can
Oh, nice.
and some more hanging stuff.
Okay.
It's a little complicated here because this is a corner. We
Wow.
didn't figure out how to use it the best, but
Okay.
we got a full closet where you can put your luggage if you need.
Wow.
And unfortunately, we can't put a door here, so I'm going to get a little mini curtain and hang it down there. If we had a
Okay.
door, we'd open it up and put it in.
And we'll put the shelving up inside there. Okay. Wow, lots of storage. What are we going to store in here? A lot of stuff. Wow, so good. And what a beautiful day it is here on Camino. And I have to give all the credit to Jenny for building this. My job is burning the cardboard. Look at that, nice fire. I always feel like it's a good day's work if you've started a fire.